Meaning of epoxy resin.
Epoxy resin.
Epoxy resin.
Epoxy resin.
Epoxy resin. Epoxy resin is a type of thermosetting polymer that is created by mixing two different components, the resin and the hardener. When these two components are mixed together, they undergo a chemical reaction that results in a strong and durable material that is resistant to heat, water, and chemicals. Epoxy resin is often used as a coating or adhesive in a wide range of applications, from construction and industrial settings to art and crafts. Its versatility, strength, and durability make it a popular choice for many different types of projects.